Okay, so just trying to get this 250 motor down into this 1962 Mercury Comet. And just been pushing it, trying to squeeze it in here with this engine hoist. It's a little hard getting it over that lip right there out of the garage. Also, the top of the garage door, like right up in there on the very edge of it. And then that gave me just enough lift to get over this. And so now I'm gonna start turning this, try and angle the motor. I'll try to push more. It's a little bit of an uphill for me. And try and squeeze her down in there. Alright. Going pretty good so far.